Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into the best PayPal reward program and how to maximize checkback. So here's the breakdown. If you use PayPal a lot, you can earn serious reward by pairing the right card and tools. It's all about stacking cashback on top of PayPal purchases. So to get started, start with a PayPal cashback MasterCard. It gives you 2% cashback on every eligible purchase. You will earn that back right into your PayPal balance, no category juggling. Next, link your PayPal card to PayPal offer and PayPal reward if available in your region. These promos give you bonus cashback or statement credit at selected store. When you activate them before you shop, also keep an eye on partner promotion. So this pop up seasonally and can boost your return frequently. If you shop regularly online, always choose PayPal as the checkout method and pay with your PayPal cashback card. That way you collect card cashback plus any bonus after reward in overtime. So this stack can turn everyday spending into meaningful savings. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money and reward tips, and comment which PayPal reward you are aiming to unlock first. And that's it.